Guys, and welcome to this YouTube channel whereby we give you simple tips and simple hacks on how to do your different things. Like it's an educative channel. We try to share with you things that we do. So today guys, stay tuned. I'm your host Kate, and I'm gonna be sharing you with you guys, or teaching you guys, or showing you my hack, my tip on how to simply and easily clean a blender. So stay tuned and kindly watch this video up to the end, and please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel because you're gonna be learning more. And give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share with your family members because they might be having this problem. So guys, let's do this. I have the blender here. It's dirty. It blended tomatoes, so it's kind of have a bad smell, but you want to clean it here in a few. I have this surface cleaner from the G company, and I have the Pride. This is like a liquid soap, Pride, and I have warm water here in a glass jug, and we have vinegar. I have vinegar. As you can see, I have one roll of toilet tissue, and I have a knife, and I have a lemon. So guys, stay tuned. Let's do this together. So guys, we have different types of blenders, but this is what I use. Like this is what I have. So I'm gonna show you the simple hack or simple tip on how to clean your blender. So first of all, it's set on the table. It has a nice stand set on the table, well, and I've connected on the socket. It's on already. So what I do is I put the blender, like after I've used it, as you can see it's dirty, so I just make sure like it is connected to the base like well, and therefore what I do after that, I'm going to just pour in the warm water, not hot but warm. I'm gonna go with the warm water, so it's peeling. Definitely we are washing, what do you expect? So thereafter I'm gonna go in with my liquid soap, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with the vinegar, just like 2 lids of vinegar. Thereafter I'm gonna cut my lemon into 2. Then cut, you can see, then squeeze. Oh no, let me remove because I don't want these ones to be blended. Let me remove the seeds because this is raw, kind of like just from the straight from the garden or from the lemon tree. So I've removed like the seeds, so I'm gonna just squeeze this into the water because this one gives it like a nice smell, kind of, or keeps it fresh. So thereafter you can see when the lid of the blender is too dirty, it smells awful. So I'm gonna just rotate this to close the blender, and what I do is I'm gonna wash this and just give it a wash, like a quick wash. So I'm gonna put the blender on like I'm blending something. guys, as you can see, like the blender is like 90% clean. You can see like the things that had stuck on the surface of the blender from the inside part, they are not there. The stains are not there. And remember, those stains or the tomato leftovers that were stuck on the blender, they were for like overnight, and I'm doing this like the second day, so they were like stuck on it, like they were dried on it. So by using warm water and everything that I've showed you guys, it helps. So I'm gonna go and dump this first wash liquid and then come back and show you guys. This is our first wash, and you can see we still have like some soap bubbles, but as you can see, like the blender is clean. There are no like red tomato remains that were stuck on it. You can see it's clean, but that was just the first wash, guys. So I'm gonna give it like the second wash. I'm going to give it a second wash, which is like just the same process. So here we go. I open the lid, and then I'm gonna put the remaining warm water. Still here. You can see like the soap remains from the first wash. It was just still there. Add some little soap, just some little now. Then add we add this lemon. There were 2 pieces, so this is the second piece. This is just to freshen up the blender, because we always wash our kitchen stuff with lemon just to freshen them up, you know, to give it a fresh smell. So there I'm gonna go in with vinegar for thorough cleaning. 1 lid of that. So I'm gonna give it like a quick wash. Now this one is a quick wash because there is nothing stuck on it, like we can just say it's barely clean. So let's do this, guys. I turn this on. So there we go, it's clean. I'm just going to dump this and then come back with now the clean blender. So guys, my blender is like ready. As you can see, it still have like some clean water splashes like on it. So what I've done is I just went to the sink, poured the second wash warm water, and then rinsed it with cold water. So why I rinsed it with cold water is just to freshen it, you know, by rinsing with cold water. So I've used cold water for my final rinse, and as you can see, the blender itself is clean and ready for the next blending. So with the base, what I use is I just use this surface cleaner liquid jig. So I don't want it to get on this. So what I do is I just splash it around. I just splash it, and I use this tissue to wipe, because this is like an electric machine, so you just don't want to use a lot of water. If you don't have this, if you don't have the surface cleaner liquid, you can just use a kitchen towel. You just make it down, or you just put water on it to make it let me switch this side. Because I don't want to blend my hand, guys. So when cleaning the base, you just make sure the sockets are turned off, and you just wipe all through, like to make it shine. I love the surface cleaner because it makes the things you use, like if it's the table, wiping the table or the windows or something like that, it makes it shine. So that's the first. I'm gonna just go through like real quick. So guys, it's clean. So we are done here. So this is how our blender is supposed to look. As you can see, everything is clean and ready for the next blending session. Thank you guys for watching this live video up to the end. I've been your host, Kate, and kindly do consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Let me know what you guys use maybe to clean the base, or maybe how you clean the blender, like something that works easily for you, that saves time maybe. Let me know. And if you've not understood the whole process, kindly leave a comment or a question down there. I'm gonna reply to all the questions. And thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you for watching. Bye.